Okay, so in this example, she's just written 5. In the tally chart that I gave you, this is actually a tally chart we're doing. We would have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the dash through. You can do it this way because you've got everybody there and you can count them and do it in one go. But normally, if you need to tally chart, you're going to be asking people, how did you come to school? How do you come to school? Okay, so we'll carry on. So if everybody asked, how many people are in this class? 9, 10, 11, 12, 20, 25. There would be 25 students in this class. Okay, let's carry on. The interesting thing here is they've separated each of the labels into its own space. So if we go back to the one that we did in the tally chart, we would have had pink, red, blue, colour. And then you would have put the numbers up here. And what they haven't done here is they haven't put down what this is down here. So you should have here, how does the student come to school? Okay. And what you should have on the side here is a little explanation that says number of students, because these are the numbers of the students. So you're going to have likes 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's the number of students. And down here would be how students come to school. Okay, so that's called labelling. You've got to label your axes. Right, let's carry on. Sorry about that. Okay, so there's some really important things that are slightly missing from here. One of them was, like I said, you needed to write down the bottom how students come to school. Oopsie. Let's go back here. You need to actually write down how students. Oh, still it won't stop. You need to write down the bottom here. Oh my goodness. You can laugh at me later. You need to write down here underneath that big bus car walk how students come to school. That's labelling. And up here you need to write number of students. Another really important thing is that each of these have to be the same part. So you couldn't put 1, then 5, and then 8. So you can have 1, 5, 8, 9. So these are all 1 apart. If you wanted to make it different and you had more numbers, you could put 2 apart or 5 apart. So it'll be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. These ones are only 1 apart, and they must be equal. And the other thing that's missing is title. You've got to have a title, and the title might be something like how students from room such and such come to school, whichever room it is. So if we were doing that one with the where Anne was asking about what's your favourite colour, she would say favourite colour of students in whatever class it is. Hopefully that will give you a good explanation of bar graphs.